So I got the call today. The new tires and wheels are in. They are mounted. Let's drive. Let's go pick those up, put them on the van. It is absolutely frigid out here today, though. Negative temps for certain. But let's go get these new tires and wheels. I'm tired of looking at these van contact tires on here. They're standard wheels. Saying 1 degree, but we'll see. They'll drop once we start driving to get out of the sun. -6. Kinda chilly. This is the noise the van contact tires on the highway. Just so we have a comparison. They're not too bad. Overall, you just hear wind really hitting the windshield with the tire noise. Got home, and as expected, there's a problem. They didn't have proper lug nuts for it, so waiting on that now. So now, I do have the new tires and wheels on. Driving on that same highway, so let's just listen. Overall, it's about the same as far as sound in the van as you're driving. Tire pressure sensors haven't flipped over yet. They take a while to learn, so I'm just kind of driving until it learns it, and then I'll head home. Try on different types of road, but overall, I don't think these are a whole lot different than the tires I had before, the van contacts. Kind of changed up the road surface. This is a smoother surface without kind of a, I don't know, the other surface had ridges in it. This one's just nice and smooth. It's brand new. Tire pressure sensors haven't flipped over yet. I don't know what's going on there. It's taking a while. Then backcountry roads. It's nothing real noticeable. Maybe a slight growl down low, but they're okay. Ooh, they aired up one of my tires wrong. This one's overinflated. But this is it. These are the new tires and wheels. The tires are Falken Wildpeak AT4s. And then the wheels are made by Method Racing. They're the 703s. These lugs, they had to use the factory lug nuts, and so they're exposed, getting all this salt corrosion. I gotta fix this. So I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna clean these up, and we'll talk about them. Okay, they're all cleaned up. So these are the Method Racing MR703s for the all-wheel drive transit. This little display looks kind of like mountains. This is actually their bead grip technology. These have an enhanced, not a bead lock, but like an enhanced edge with that bead grip that allows you to air down your tires if you needed to soften up your ride when going off-road. So it's kind of why I went with these, because they allow you to more safely air your tires down. Then the tires, Falken, making pretty good tires lately, and these are the Wildpeak AT4s. They're the replacement for the AT3s. AT3s were the best winter tire in the all-season, all-terrains. We'll see how these do. This is their size, 235 65 R16. Load rating is E, and these are a 10-ply rated tire. That just means you're going to have more protection when going over maybe like sharp rocks or something that aren't going to just punch through. A lot of technology in these tires, even go down these outer lugs. Notice how they're all different sizes and they move in and out. This is to create an acoustic that cancels out the sound of the tire. So the tire makes some noise when you're driving, but then that makes an alternate frequency of noise. Cancels it all out. It's pretty sweet. So I'm going to get these up to the factory torque on the lug nuts, 150 foot-pounds if you were unaware. I'm going to spray some of this Bow Shield T9, I've talked about it, but for corrosion protection on the exposed lugs and the stems that they're on, so prevent the rust. You can see there's already rust on there, just from the way they were from under the Ford caps. But yeah, I just want to protect these, so just get this on there, coating it. So I also wanted to show, I still have the van contact tire as the spare. Just wanted to show the tread depth difference. So this is a brand new van contact tire that I haven't used yet. It's about 12-30 seconds as a new tire, just for the tread depth. I'm just kind of checking in multiple places. But yeah, about 12-30 seconds, it looks like, all the way. Now for comparison, the Wildpeak AT4s, their tread depth is 16-30 seconds. So that's a big improvement. And with that also comes a longer tread life expectancy. These are tires come with a 60,000 mile expected tread wear life. I think the KO3s are like 50,000. So you're getting 10,000 extra miles potentially out of these. Although we'll see. I don't know if I'll actually make it all the way 60,000 miles. That's quite a lot. Now, lug nut problem. Literally went to the drawing board. So I have a 3D printer. This is a print that already existed from somebody else. It's okay. It fits well. They did a nice job with that design. Looking at that bead grip with that almost like 3 peaks, I kind of made one that had like 3 peaks just flat. Kind of a tighter fit on mine. I need to modify that a little bit, but and then I thought I should expand on that. What if I did like a 3D mountain topo, like looking down, like the topographic? So I think I like this the best. So I'm gonna change this to a black filament. Get that printed up. I'm using a Bamboo Lab. I have an X1 carbon. Little error there you saw, just kind of flipped off, but overall, they turned out very well. This is what they look like on the wheel. I kind of like it. See if I can get it to focus a little bit. The way 3D printers leave lines, it almost looks like a topographic map of a mountain. So I need to order some stuff. I need to get a different plastic filament for this. It's more for auto parts. But overall, these look good. I'm happy with these tires. I'm happy with the lug nut covers that I made. I'll post an update video on miles per gallon snow driving and the newer design with the better plastic. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.